So this is how much the direct replacement for my Caravan mattress would have cost me, and I didn't want to spend that much, so this is how I made my mattress. I got a full memory foam mattress from Marketplace. I only paid 50 quid. I used the frame as a stencil. I marked out the lines where I needed to make the cut, and then I did it very slowly with a bread knife. Simple as that. I then took the mattress cover, cut out the extra sections, pinned it together and restitched it. It's not a perfect job by all means, but it's going to be under the sheets. It's not going to really be seen. There was a bit of a gathering with the zip, which I just made sure it was at the top where it was going to be against the wall. And you'll see where I tuck it in a second, so it's hardly noticeable. But you could skip this entirely and just literally tuck the access underneath the mattress. That's entirely up to you. Just make sure whichever mattress you go for, whether you want to buy a new one or one off Marketplace, that it's a full memory foam so that you can cut through it. But yeah, very relatively easy process and a lot cheaper than an actual Caravan mattress.